Let me address you in English. You will see. Then you will see. You will see. Can you read?
I can't read.
That's the problem.
That's the problem.
I wanted to make you read.
Lalela, you are not.
A few moments later.
Listen, that's why she's saying I must drop the J88 because the J88 is a separate case. But I need to be at the hospital because my appointment is for 11:30. But she insisted that I mustn't leave here. That is my issue with her.
But now she said we must go to the
That's because she didn't hear. That's the reason why I'm here.
Celebrate and be happy. And say the nonsense you are saying about foreigners and Nigerians. Go on. When they are done, they are coming for you.